If only playing video games could be productive. Have you heard of ComputerCraft? It's what we're offering at the San Mateo Coder School. Let's check out our latest programs. This is a mod of Minecraft, which has robotic turtles. Now here's a landscape with enemies, which are these green blobs hopping around, and pigs, cows, sheep, and other livestock, including chickens, which are my personal favorite. Here is a robotic turtle. It's called a turtle because of the 1960s, 70s logo programming, which was a first introductory language for children in programming. Now here we see a program called Corral Snows. Now it's quite a sophisticated program. We got while, true, do, which establishes a forever loop, and it ends here. So it includes everything inside of it. And here we have repeat 4 times. And what does this do? It selects the 4th slot, I know what that means, and it places down something, and it moves forward, places down, moves forward, places down, forward, and then it turns left 4 times in a row in that sequence. And then it stops, and then it goes forward, turns left, and then it runs a subroutine, and it's demonstrated by this icon, this diskette, this floppy drive in the style of a magnetic disk from, like, say, the 80s or late 90s, depending on when you're born. And move forward, move down, okay, and then it stops. Well, what's the snowman? Snowman is it selects this first slot, places something down, moves up, okay, another slot, places another item, and then it selects another slot, a 3rd slot, moves forward, turns, okay, and that is a subroutine, and here's the diskette, and that is plugged into the main program, okay, and here's the code editor. You can see this is Lua scripting, which is generated by the drag and drop block code, very well known in terms of programs like Scratch, Snap, and Blockly. So here is Lua's scripting language, and that is the same program as demonstrated in typed code format, and it's actually a real editor. I'm not going to mess around too much with it. I don't want to break something. There we go. And inventory. So these are the slots that came up earlier. So I've already prepared some snow, which should be in the first 2 slots because the snowman needs a bottom section, a main torso, and the head is going to be a pumpkin. And we're going to see why in a minute. And then we need a fence because the main program makes a fence, and then the subroutine makes the pumpkin snow golem. All right? So we've loaded up the turtle's inventory, but we got to do this in style. All right? So let's call this snowplow. All right. I like my puns. What can I say? And we'll make it, let's see here, what looks good? Oh, Coder School green maybe? And on fire, sure, we're on fire tonight. So remote, this is a remote control, so I can look from the turtle's perspective, that's me. And I can turn, yeah. I can go up and down, it's a remote control, like you control your TV, I can dig. And this will run the program, okay? I think I'm ready to go. I do want to make sure that I'm a safe distance away from the test robot. Oh, there's a cow. I hope the cow doesn't... Oh my goodness. We have some aggro. We have some friendly aggro here. Does anybody know how to move a cow without hurting it? Oh my goodness. All right. Maybe it'll just wander off. Okay, shoo. All right. So the cow's gone. All right. Let's activate the remote control. Oh, all right. And I will run the program. Oh my goodness. It's working. Is it? Not quite. Uh-oh, we have a failure. We have a, oh, what? Oh my goodness. There, well, the main program's working. We got snow golems, but we have no fence. So the snow golems are on the loose, see? And when the 3rd block, the head, is placed, the pumpkin head, they become animated and become artificial life forms with smiley pumpkin faces, and they shoot snowballs at monsters. And monsters like this is a blob, a gelatinous blob, but this is in peaceful mode, so they don't attack players. But monsters, friendlies, and enemies, player allies and enemies will still conduct their regular routines. It looks like this one doesn't fight back, it runs away, which would be a wise strategy in this case. Snowball's not hurting that much, maybe he's got a chance. So let's go back to our turtle. Where is it? Oh my goodness. Maybe I should go towards the snowballs. I do see the turtle. I do, yeah, that's why you should make your turtle very, very distinguishable from its surroundings. Okay, there's the snowplow. It's continuing to create more golems, which then start wandering the flat, super flat landscape. And notice they do not harm the animals. I have a strong sense of ethics. I make rules that students cannot harm animals, peaceful creatures. All right. No slapping the cows is my rule. All right, here we go. Let's see, here's another golem. Where's it going to run? Let's see. See, there it goes. Oh, that's me in the foreground. Oh, there's the cow. Okay, skip the cow. Let's stop this thing. Let's examine what's going on here. So I have a fence, but this is not placing the fence. Okay. So, it seems to be in order, but they're not placing. I think the problem is because I did not start the turtle one square off the ground, so when it places down, there was nothing beneath it. Oh, line of fire. So now there's an empty slot beneath it. Oh, there we go. Now we have a fence. In a 3x3, you can see the individual square units, and now it turns inward and makes the snow golem, which is now restrained by the corral, as it were. And now we got another one. So this is a demonstration of a loop within a loop and a subroutine. Perfect. And notice, you can't just repeat the pattern. If you did, it would place the blocks on top of itself. So not only does it have to make the corrals, it has to move to new locations. See that? Oh, hello. You know, it makes me in the mood for some pumpkin pie, frankly. All right, what do we got over here? Let's see. After it makes the fourth one, I forget what happens. Okay, there's the fourth one, right? All right, great. So now it keeps on its merry way, I suppose. And it stops. Why did it stop? Well, the reason is because it cannot place block here. In other words, it ran through the entire program and then came back to its starting location because my entire program does not have a randomization routine. It makes a pattern of 4 within, well, the snowman. All right, so let's do another little demo here. What makes this interesting is now that the snowmen are bound, there's some blocks in Minecraft that you can, let's see. Oh my goodness. There's a chicken. I can spawn chickens, just as if I were to place a block in Minecraft. They're very cute. See, chicken. Hello. And more chickens. And if you, they're friendly. The snowmen don't bother them. They don't shoot snowballs at them. But now let's cause a little chaos here. Let's put down a bad guy. This is a blaze, which my students tell me is quite terrifying. I think it appears in the nether area where you have to fight the Ender Dragon boss. Okay, so now, oh my goodness, we have, you see the, snow down, oh, 2 down. My goodness. Fire on the prairie. Oh no. He's quite a bad dude. And notice, he doesn't bother the other monster, which is the blob, and he doesn't bother the chicken. So, seems fair to me. All right, so we lost 2 snowmen, and we got the blaze at a neutral distance here, and the chickens are just fine. Dandy. All right, so let's do one more quick demo here of the program running, and I'll show how I load it. So here's the turtle, right? Let's give this a different look, let's say. Let's call it demo 2, just for quickness sake. Let's give it maybe a Donatello look, yeah? Pink, sure. And here, oh, we need to go to our inventory, and we need snow. Oop, that is not how you spell snow, everyone. It starts with an S, I believe. And you press Shift. For all the people looking for tips out there, Shift, and you click the stack to have 64. And I believe it's pumpkins? Oh, pumpkin. Well, you know, I'll save that for later. All right, and pumpkin pie there. And pumpkin blocks, that's what I needed. And I need the fence. There's the fence. All right, now there's demo 2. Okay, there's the slots, and as the program requires, we will set them to the correct slots, and then we need to set it up a little higher, and then we run it. Whoa! Oh my goodness, that's not quite what I was expecting. Let's take a look here. Uh-oh, it's raining. Oh no. The difficulty here is now, oh, I destroyed the turtle. What a noob mistake. Well, the difficulty here now is that when it rains, the snowmen melt. So they don't make very fierce opponents in that sense. So I can demonstrate this poor state of affairs in the following manner. We'll go to actually just run the subroutine. So that's here, snowman, see? All right, let's run it. Oh my goodness, there's the snowman, and then, oh, it suddenly expires into dust. Because, or water, I suppose? Excuse me. See that? It melts, and then I suppose sublimates in the rain. Oh no. Okay, so we gotta make it stop raining. So to do that, we need to talk about terminal commands. Uh-oh. Let's see if I have my notes here. Okay, I got something on my smartphone. All right, I need to use a console command. So toggle downfall and right as rain, as they say. Neato. Okay, that's one probably not to worry about. Let's put another turtle. And we will load it up. Uh-oh. I think all my snowballs melted. There's just, well, these are snowballs now. That's not going to do. So I need the snow again. See, there's quite a lot of setup, quite a lot of manual dexterity required. So gaming, yeah, very, very, very useful. And pumpkins. And let's put it there. Let's see if we can get this thing to work. Go up. Snow. Snow. Pumpkin. Fence. All right, it's in the middle of the air. It's this program. Fourth slot is for the fence, which places below the snowman. Okay, I think it should be good. I just want to make sure I'm the right amount of distance from the ground. That's the critical part here in this version of my program. And yoink! Why is it doing that one first? Well, let's see here. What should you do? Looks like 4. Okay, that's good. Where is it? Okay, and snows. Let's make it look cool. This is snowplow 2. Let's do number 2. And ooh, sure. Happy face. All right. There we go. All fixed. Oh, I had snowballs to shoot. Oh my goodness. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Oh, wow. All right. Let's put a bad guy nearby. Wow. Oh, there they go. I have an idea. What if I create a copy of this program? All right, copy. Oh, I'm getting a line of fire here. Snowman. I'm going to put this in a forever loop. A while true do loop. Let's see. Move the editor with the drag and drop code. While true do. And then we'll all right. Oh, and of course, can't forget the pumpkin. And there we goes. Neato. Oh, wow, they can fly, I think. Whoa. Oh, take that. Snowball. Snowball fight. Snowball fight. Oh, more snowballs. Oh, we got him. Got the bad guy. All right, I get experience points. Ooh, blob. All right. I think this area could use a few more chickens. And maybe to keep them safe, perhaps we should enclose into these pens. Let's see, fence. So that, keep the chicken out of the line of fire here. Oh, oop, and oop, got him. All right, these ones are good to go. And look, got my first egg. Yummy. Oh, should not be used as a weapon. Careful. Whoop. Woo. All right. Okay. Well, that's oh, there's my pumpkin pie. I think it's a well-deserved, yummy, 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 yummy snack for all those out there. I hope you enjoyed this video and gives you an idea of what we accomplish here at the San Mateo Coder School on a daily basis.